this string art kit I got from Sydney White on Facebook. She sells these really cute string art kits that are very affordable. The holes are pre-marked here already. And then you just go around to the pre-marked holes that were pre-marked with the template and hammer in all the nails all the way around. Alright, I got all the nails hammered in for the little dinosaur T-Rex, and we will begin putting the string on. I'm going to do green and orange. I'm going to do a green outline and make the dinosaur orange, and this will be for my son that you may have heard in the background in the beginning of the video. Alright, I will be back after we start stringing.